Now, you always have to tread carefully when you mention... I mean, we're not even September yet.
I'm not saying the word.
Christmas.
Oh, there you go. You did it.
Is it too early for Christmas?
Yes, it is the 22nd of August. It's just way too early for Christmas. It's got nothing to do with us, right? It's all up to Deric. What is going on, D-Dog?
It's nothing to me. It's nothing to do with me, guys. Never mind that. D-Dog, I love it. Yeah, the C word. We're up and running here in Brown Thomas this morning. The woman responsible for it all is Claire. Ho, 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 Claire.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Claire, what's going on? It's very early.
It's never too early for Christmas, and we actually find that we've got a customer base that really love coming in, and it's almost a tradition for them as well.
Now, I was chatting to some of the staff here earlier. They were telling me that there's people travelling from Galway, there's people travelling from County Meath, there's even people coming from County Armagh, the north, down to the Christmas shop.
Yes, absolutely. we've had customers for the past month calling up, asking when are we going to be open. So it's really great and a really positive reaction from everyone.
You're responsible for all of this design. Not only do you start, like you've already started now, you're already planning for next year as well.
Oh, absolutely. Christmas doesn't ever stop for us. Every day is Christmas. Yeah, we go out to the markets, we start curating the trends and putting the most unique and special pieces to be able to bring to our customers here at Brown Thomas.
Now, there's very divided opinion here online. We'll get into some of that in a little while. But first up, in terms of what you have, what are the trends? What's up and running?
So for us, we have four main trends. Christmas cheer, that's our real nostalgic piece. Lots of golds, oxbloods, opulent baubles and embroidery, and really bringing that kind of sense of family together for everyone.
OK, now, Claire, there's some of the opinion here online, right? Cecilia Sheeran says it's never too early. Anita Day says never too early. Claire Martin says let's go visit. Marion O'Reilly says getting people into a panic in the morning. It's not even Halloween yet. What do you say to that?
Well, we really do have people that love to come in. It might not be that they want to shop and buy their whole Christmas collection in August, but they like to come in, see the trends, see the pieces, start to curate their look and feel. And then we have the tourists, they're back, and they can take a little piece home with them to have those special memories.
And actually, that's something we were talking about earlier. I think when people come to visit Dublin and they can pick up a little memento for the festive season, when they're back in the US or they're back in Europe or wherever they're from, the UK, they can say, oh, well, actually, I picked this up in Dublin on my little trip earlier on this year.
Absolutely, and I think that's the nicest thing about Christmas is that people add decorations each year to their tree or pass them on to family and friends, and they have a story and you create that collection year after year.
Now, back to more reaction here online. Sinead O'Brien says, can't wait to go shopping. Dorothy Merton says, it's way too early. So does Claire Moore. Sarah Mallon says, people are struggling as it is with the bills. Like, what do you say to that?
Yeah, absolutely. And we have prices for everyone. So our baubles and decorations start from €3 and then go up. So it's not about people having to come in and spend a lot, but you can really create that sense of Christmas feeling here.
And I suppose if you're in town, you can come up here, have a little browse around.
Exactly. And there's still enough time to kind of then think about it, plan ahead. And I think that's
even the Christmas music is going here as well.
Oh, yes.
Oh, my head is already wrecked.
You'll be singing along in no time.
OK, well, look, for you, every day, I suppose, is Christmas. For a lot of people here, the reaction we're getting online, very mixed. But I have to say, it's about 65 to 70% in favour of what's happening here in Brown Thomas. So, Muireann and Tommy, what do you think, guys? Are you still giving it a thumbs down? Or have you changed your minds?
Claire's, she's turned me around. Yeah, absolutely full-on Christmas.
You've turned Tommy around. Yes.
It's not, Claire isn't putting a gun to anyone's. Claire isn't putting a gun to anyone's head, telling them that they have to buy Christmas decorations. You don't have to buy them, lads. You don't even have to go in and see them. It's fine. It's grand.
Listen, sure, isn't it something to be looking forward to?
But sure, there's shops everywhere that are open 24/7.
But we love Halloween in our house, you see. So I kind of want to see the Halloween section.
I spotted the other day a sparkly diamante black.
I was meant to text you to ask where you got those. Yeah.
No, I didn't. Well, I was going to get you one.
Oh, she got me 10 all over the house.
For Halloween. Like, you absolutely love it.
And the kids love it. And like the trick-or-treating and the sweet... Oh, listen, I love Halloween. Why not get ahead of ourselves?
We didn't get dressed up here last year, did we? Did we?
Yeah, we did. No, we didn't. It was at the weekend.
Oh, it was at the weekend, so we didn't have to. No. I'm hoping it's at the weekend again, because I'm Mrs. Grinch. I'm like, no.
Over here.
But again, you do not have to...
She dress up every day. Anyway, let's... Edward, stop looking at me. Oh, we've got texts in. We've got texts. Are your listening devices listening too?
So
Can we get Edward in here to match? The two of you are matching. Come on, look at the two spots.
What can I say?
Look at this. Is this not?
Come on, we're leopard
I feel
print heaven.
completely left out today.
Yeah.
This is my Tom Cruise, Nicole Kidman moment. Take off the old heels there,
And Tommy's so boring and just his plain old shirts.
Listen, wait till you see me come Halloween. Full outfit.
This is what's going to happen.
Beetlejuice.
Oh, it's on a Monday. Halloween's Monday this year as well. Just found out.
Look how excited he
I'm so
is.
excited. Love it.